tell us your name and what organization you're here with?
Sure. I'm Anthony Theofiledes. I'm from Bloomfield Robotics.
What does your organization do?
So we help farmers with their plant scouting mission. We build a camera, but what we provide for them is the AI processing from that data. So the customer puts it on a vehicle, they scan passively while they're out in the field. At the end of the day, 2 days later, they go on the dashboard, they look at their field, and we help increase that sample size. Color grading, sizing, and counting are our main big three.
How does it feel that Pittsburgh is the robotics capital of the world?
It feels blessed. I feel really blessed to be a part of this. It is nice that Pittsburgh has essentially gone through many cycles of emerging industry, from steel to now to robotics.
And how does it feel to be at Pittsburgh Robotics Discovery Day 2024?
It feels great. I'm having a blast. Definitely come check out our booth, 132. Thank you very much.
Yes, great.